Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to go over a method that you can use today to start making money online. And you may have clicked on this because of the clickbait thumbnail, and I apologise for that, but that just seems to be the only way to get people watching content nowadays, especially with these ridiculously high numbers. But you may be wondering, $159,000 in a month, it sounds like crap, doesn't it? It really does. But I will not only show you that that is achievable, I will show you people who are doing that, and then even more so we'll go over exactly how you can do this and how you can set everything up. We'll go over that at the end, because first of all I want to show you that this is 100% achievable, but let's be honest, it's not going to be achievable within the next 2 or 3 months, probably not in the next year. And when it comes to earning money online, people don't believe that they can earn $100, $500. So putting out a statement saying you can earn over 100 grand a year, it sets off alarm bells in people's heads. But let me go and show you this, and this is a legitimate way to make money online. This isn't about promoting courses or this or that, but I'm going to stop rambling and I'll show you this now. So let's go over a couple of different websites and blogs and I'll show you that this is 100% true. Sorry, there's a bloody fly there. I'll show you that this is 100% true and how this all works. So let's jump into this. But by the end of this video, you will know exactly how you can start making money online. I'm going to share the websites, the resources, and more importantly, the tools that you can use today for free to get everything up and running. So let's go over to the first website. So the first website is this one here. Now, let me go and show you this. So this here is a website, and you may have seen this in the past. It's called, let me get rid of this. It's called Making Sense of Sense. Now, this is run by a lady down here on the right-hand side by Michelle. Now, I've known, well, I don't know personally, but I've known of her for a number of years now because I have my own blog, this one over here, which is Not Taught at School. So on here, I share about making money online, saving money, blogging tips, other bits on here. So if we go back over to Michelle's blog, hers is very similar, except for hers is a hell of a lot more successful than mine at this moment in time. But you can see on here, this is her blog and she's just sharing content. So this is over on her income reports. This shows you how she earned over 1.5 million in 2018. And if I go and let me go and show you this, and let me just show you how this doesn't happen overnight. So in November 2018, she earned $159,592 in a month from blogging. But look, this doesn't happen overnight. So let me go up to the top and show you this. So as you can see here, she's been doing it for a while. So in May 2012, when she got this up and running, she earned $672. So it's a hell of a jump, isn't it? In what, 7 years, from $672 to over 100,000 in a month. And this isn't the only website that's doing this. But look, you can see here, this was the first month, and you can go down and just see how this all starts to snowball. So $1,000, then we're up to 5,000, 7, 10, etc., etc. So how's she doing this? Well, it's from a blog, and on her blog, she creates content. As you can see here, these are all articles on here. So she's making money on her blog from a number of ways. The first method is using what is known as affiliate marketing. So within any of these articles, let me go and give you a real life example of this. Let's go up to the top and we will go to make extra money. And I'll go and show you just how simple this is. So she's earning money from affiliate marketing. So if we go in here into some of these posts here, scroll down. Goodness me, it's a long blog post, isn't it? So you can see on here, work from home and make extra money. So all of these things here, look, make money proofreading by becoming a freelance proofreader. Anybody goes ahead and clicks on here and they go and purchase this course, she will earn a commission. All of these here, these are all commissions and things that are driving her an income from her blog. So lots of these will offer a 7-day free course. She will recommend people to the course. They'll go and take the trial. At the end of the trial, if they purchase the product, she will earn an affiliate commission. So this is one way that she's making money from her blog, which is by recommending products and services to people on a blog, and she earns an affiliate commission. That is one part of affiliate marketing. But you can see on here this Azia, an easy way to earn money online through social media accounts. Anybody goes over to here, she earns an affiliate commission. Scroll down here. Every one of these on here where you see this, it's all affiliate links. This one here, Swagbooks. Anyone clicks on here, she earns an affiliate commission. eBay, affiliate commission. So that's one way that she's earning money from a blog via affiliate marketing, and that is sharing products and services, and she earns money for doing so. Another way that she's doing this is she creates her own courses and markets those courses, and she earns money from doing so. And then there's other ways that you can make money from blogs, and you can do that via ads on your website and other things. But this is really it. It is literally creating a blog around a certain topic or niche, and then within the blog article you embed affiliate links. Now this is just one site. This is Michelle's site, Making Sense of Sense. But let me go and share with you another website, and I prefer this one personally. It's this one here. It's called Breaking the 1%, and I'm in the Facebook group, and the two guys who run this, they share lots of great content. So if you're interested in blogging and other bits, go and check out the group. So you can see on here how we made $347,000 blogging in 2 minutes. It just sounds insane. It's insane, isn't it? So you can see $180,000 in January, $167 in February. And Jeff and Ben, these are the two guys, and the wife's on the side here. They're the guys who run this website here. They also run another website which is called Dollar Sprout. But if you come down here, look, they show you everything. They give you the revenues, the breakdown of this, how did they do this, and they also go over time and show you this. So look at this. Even though this graph is pretty to look at, if you go down here, look at. So they started this in February 2015. They earned $0. After a year, let's go see how much they earned after a year. A year of doing this, they earned $0. Would you have given up after a year of putting out content and earning no money? Probably. Most people do. If we scroll down here, let's go to the next year. February 2017. We're now, look at this, we're now up to 3,487. And then let's go to February 2018. We're now up to $8,000. And I wonder what it was this year, February 2019. $167,000. So you see, this method of making money online with blogging, it works. It just takes time and it takes effort. And I know this from first-hand experience, because if I go over here to my blog, and I'll show you this. This is my blog, so you can see over here, a little gloat here, look, currently ranked number 297 in the world for money blogs. And I'm 199 in the UK, so building on that, working on that. But if you scroll down here, look, I'll show you this over on my blog. Come down here, archive, so you can see September 2019. Scroll all the way down here. I've been doing this since April 2017. So this isn't something that happens overnight. It really isn't. But it can bring you in huge money. And not only can it bring you in huge money, it can bring you in a passive income, because once you do these blog articles once, they can generate you income for many years down the road. And let me show you some examples of this. So if we go up here, and I'm going to show you like a really basic one. Look at this. 5 ways to make money from home in the UK. So I'm going to click on here and go into this blog article here. So basically all I'm doing here is I'm creating content around a niche. So in this example, it's make money online and work from home and all that sort of stuff. Within the article, I get paid wherever I embed an affiliate link. It really is that simple. Now if I scroll down here, show you this. What is the article? So look, 5 ideas to make money from home. Number 1, make money as a web search evaluator. And then scroll down here. So I've got a video here showing how to do this, how to get paid to be on social media. Creative way to make money online. This is for Gear Bubble. So if anyone goes over here, I earn an affiliate commission from Gear Bubble. We've got match betting on here. Again, somebody goes over to this profit maximizer, takes a trial. This one here for £1. I earn an affiliate commission, and after the 2-week trial, it goes up to, I think, £97, and I earn £50 or something like that from that. But you see this content here. I did this content, this work once. I put that out in the marketplace, and it brings me in a passive income every single month from blogging. Honestly, this doesn't just work in obviously the make money online niche. You will find this on any niche or any subject. And I mean, let me just give you another example of this really quickly. Let's just go ahead and have a look at something like, I don't know, top cameras. And I'm literally making this up. Top cameras under $500. So this here, people are creating content for this, and then I have no doubt they will have links over to Amazon, where Amazon are paying them, and eBay and many more. So look at this. Digital Camera World. Let's go and look at this. Someone here created a blog. Let me get rid of this here. Someone here has created a blog all around digital cameras. Just scroll down here. This is obviously an article. Look on here, look, the best cameras for kids. So this article here is about the different cameras, which are under $500. So they do a review on this. Look at this. Visit at Amazon. Anybody goes on Google, does a search for the best cameras under $500, lands on this page here, sees this article here, they think this is great, I'm going to go ahead and get this. They click on here, it takes you over to Amazon. This website owner here will earn an affiliate commission for sending you over to Amazon. And I reckon all of this one on this page here will all be Amazon. Yeah, looking at it, it's all Amazon links. So this is how this whole method works. You have a blog or a website. You then find a niche, and it can be absolutely any niche. It can be a hobby of yours. It can be anything you have an interest in. Once you've decided on your niche, you then start creating content in that niche. Within that content, you find products or services that you market or link to, like you can see on here, like they were doing over on Breaking the 1%, like they were doing over on Michelle's blog, and like I do on my blog, and you send traffic, and then you earn an affiliate commission for doing so. Over time, you can build up your own courses. There's lots and lots of different ways that you can do this with creating a blog or creating a website. Now, if you want to do this and you want a bit more information on this, there is a platform that I recommend, and you can start for free. It's this one over here, and it's called Wealthy Affiliate. Now, this website here, you can see this will show you how to transform your ideas into profits. And this basically, it goes over everything to do with blogging. You can see on here, and I'll show you inside in a second, with inside Wealthy Affiliate, they will show you how you can get your blog up and running. They will give you over 1 million different niche ideas that you can go ahead and start creating content around for this. They've also got integrated platforms that you can use. You can build the website inside of here, and you can do all this for free. You can get everything up and running with this. They go over how to drive traffic. They go over traffic strategies. You can see your revenue sources are unlimited. They've currently got over 598,000 products that you can instantly start marketing and selling, and it covers over on these platforms here: eBay, Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, many more included. And you can see here they've been around for 14 years. They're currently in 193 countries. But let me show you what's inside of this, because if you're serious about making money with blogging, this platform here will not only give you all the tools to do this, it will show you what you need to do, and it includes free training. So in the left hand side here, this is what it looks like on the inside, and this Wealthy Affiliate platform, I recommend this and I share this with people purely because of, not only do you go ahead and get all the tools that you need, and they offer training and support, within here it's like a community all in one basically. So on the right hand side here, you can see these are all recent comments that have come on here. If you scroll down the middle, this is people who are sharing questions, comments. People share their new blog articles in here. You can go ahead and look at this. People will give them feedback in here. It's just honestly, I love this platform for, especially when it comes to blogging. Now if we come down here on the left hand side, you've got dashboard, which is here. You've then got training. So if you go into the training here, look, all of these trainings are included. So content, keywords, and conversions. This is about creating content and how you include keywords in there for search engine optimization and how to convert this. We've got giving your site social value. You can see all of these are included down here. This is all in here. This is the affiliate bootcamp. You've got training activity, and if you click on here, you've got training HQ. So you've got additional training in here. So you can go through all of this. Look, what's this? Building your own traffic producing website level 2. Getting your business rolling. All of these are included in here. Now if we go back over to here, go to the training, and I go down to classrooms, there's also additional classrooms. Now with this, you might be looking at this and thinking, bloody hell, this seems like a hell of a lot. If you are going to go down the route, start at the beginning and just work your way through. Don't feel overwhelmed and don't jump from one thing to another. Just start at the top and work your way down. And honestly, by the end of the training, everything, you'll know what you need to do, what you don't need to do. And if you have any questions or anything doesn't make any sense, then you just put it in the forums and people will answer and help you. But you can see in here, we've got website development and programming. We've got everything WordPress. We've got getting started. We've got, so you can see all this. All of this on here is included within inside of this Wealthy Affiliate. If we go back to training here as well, you've also got, so that's all of the trainings. You've then got websites on here. So you can see on here, you go ahead and you can add and build websites with inside Wealthy Affiliate. Then you've got research on here. Now what I like about this research here is you can go ahead and find products in here. You can go ahead and do, let's see that up here, keyword research. You can do search engine analysis. There's lots more in here. You can go ahead and find, look at this, let me show you this. This saves so much time. you can go ahead and find products or services that you can promote and include within your blog or your website over on the different platforms. So if I was going to go down, let's just say I was going to go down a route of, let's go with cameras still, camera, and you can see over here it says ClickBank. You can filter this down via these different platforms here. So let me go with I'll go with Commission Junction. Click on Find Keywords. So it's got none on Commission Junction. Let's go with ClickBank. So you can find instantly at a snapshot all of the affiliate products which you could market and create content about right from here. And you can simply go ahead, you can go and look at the products, their website, you can go and see what it is that you'd be promoting, and you can see here, if you click on here, it will take you over to the affiliate products which are going to be marketing over on ClickBank, and you get your affiliate link which you then include within your blog article. So it saves so much time here. Instead of having to go over to ClickBank and search through ClickBank for products or Commission Junction or any of these, you can simply use this software tool here and click on whatever it is you're looking for and find it, and it'll bring up all of these, and it'll also show you how much you can expect to earn for this. So really cool tool, and it just saves so much time. So let me come out of this, go back over here. So as I've mentioned on here, this is inside Wealthy Affiliate. If you want to go down the blogging route, then I highly recommend Wealthy Affiliate. So that's pretty much Wealthy Affiliate, and it includes absolutely everything you need to get started with when it comes to making a blog or making a website and niche sites and earning money online. But please understand, this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is going to take time and effort, and it's a proper business. If you want to build a proper online business which can bring you in a passive income for many years down the line, then this is a great route for you to take. Now, let me just quickly show you this. So, as I've mentioned, you can do this for free. This is what you get included with Wealthy Affiliate. So on the left-hand side, you have got what is included. This is known as the Starter Pack, and it's free. So you can see on here, you get the Getting Started training, you get the beginner training, the video walkthroughs, you get the affiliate bootcamp, you get 2 websites with this, so you can get started with this today. You get hosting, so all your hosting is done for you. You get the keyword searches, so you can do 30 searches a month. And then you've got a personal blog, affiliate program, rapid writer, and that's free. So you can do all that for free. If you want to go ahead and get access to everything on here, so pretty much everything that's included on here, so one-on-one coaching, private messaging, getting started. Basically, if you want access to the whole platform, then you can get started with that for $19. So you can pay $19 for the first month, go through and take advantage of all of this and see if it's for you. If at the end of the first month you don't want to do that, simply don't pay anymore, and then you'll go back onto the free version. If you do like it and you want to continue building into a proper online business, it then goes to $49 a month. So you've got those are your options. So you've got the free option, you can trial out the premium for $19, and then after that it goes to $49. But either way, whether you go ahead and do blogging with Wealthy Affiliate, or whether you go down the free route and do it on your own, it doesn't make a difference. You can honestly, it just takes some time and effort. So if you want to go ahead and check out Wealthy Affiliate, I'll drop a link to that below for you. And if you don't, then just go ahead on YouTube and type in blogging and how to get started with blogging. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any questions or any concerns, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.